This is the most craziest use case of AI, an AI system that I've created for my client. So I just recently created a system for my client in which AI can call people, actual outbound calling, and it can do sales. So I found it that much interesting that I've created it for myself as well. And in this video, I'll be first of all giving you the exact same demo so you understand what exactly how it sounds like and how it's following the instructions, the script that you provide, the proven scripts. The second, I'll tell you how it's being created. And finally, I'll be sharing the free resources, the prompts, the tools, the functions, the exact same things that you need to create it for yourself and for your clients. Or if you're a business owner and want to know how AI can help you handle your calls, this is something for you. Keep watching the demo. We have a lead called Carlos, and this is the business name, and now this is the phone number, and we have the email. And if the status in this case the one I have created is new, it will be calling them. And once the call is completed, it will create a complete summary of the call, as you can see in this case. So you will know what exactly happened in the call and what are the list of questions that we have asked, what were the answer as well. So now we have one lead, which is by the way me, and we'll be trying to call myself, and let's see how it works. So this is the init and flow. I have to execute it. It will be calling me. As you can see, it's calling me. I'll pick it. Hello?
Hi, is this Carlos?
Yeah, speaking.
Hi, Carlos. This is Riley calling from Acceleration AI. Help me help small businesses understand where AI can actually be useful for them. Have I caught you at an okay time for a quick call?
Yeah, but you have only 30 seconds.
Thanks, Carlos. I'll keep it brief. The reason I'm calling is simple. We're offering a free, no pressure consultation to give business owners clarity on how AI could fit into their operations or if it even makes sense at all. Can I ask, are you currently using any AI tools in your business or have you mostly just been hearing about it?
Yeah, like mostly I'm hearing about it, but by the way, I'm okay with implementing it. So if there is a good way to implement it and there are good ways to make me efficient and make me more money, so yeah, obviously I'll be going with that.
That makes sense, Carlos. Just to understand your situation a bit better, what kind of business are you running?
So I am running a real estate agency, and we are around like 20 people in a team.
Thanks, Carlos. That helps me understand your setup. Which area feels the most time consuming right now for your agency? Sales, operations, or support?
I guess like doing follow-ups and missing the leads. So leads need obviously time. We have to call them instantly, but sometimes we are not available at that particular time slot. So that's something that I'm currently feeling problem, and if that can be fixed through AI.
I appreciate your honesty, Carlos. That's a common challenge, especially in real estate. The best next step is a short, free consultation with one of our AI experts. There's no sales pitch, just a look at your business and some clarity on what's possible and what's not. Would you like me to book that for you?
Yeah, uh, okay.
Great. What day usually works best for you for a 30-minute consultation? We're available between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. Pacific, starting from tomorrow onward.
Yeah, can we do it day after tomorrow at 10 a.m.?
Let me check the schedule. That time isn't available, unfortunately. Would another time between 8 and 12 a.m. Pacific work for you on that day, or would a different day be better? I can offer up to two alternative slots if you'd like.
No, like, is there is any other way? Can you email me the details?
No worries at all, Carlos. I can email you the details about our free consultation and how AI could help with lead follow-up. Is there a best email address I should use to send this information?
Yeah, it's Dawood, Dawood, at acceleration.com, AKCELETRATION.
Thank you, Carlos. So that's Delwood at acceleration.com, spelled DAWOOD at acceleration.com, AKSDELETRHUION. I'll send you the consultation details and some brief info about how AI could help with lead follow-up. Is there anything else I can help with today?
No, thank you.
Appreciate the call. Take care.
So it just ended the call. And now, as you can see, so we will be generating a summary of this call as well. So like we have an AI agent for it, which will be generating a summary. So it just marked me as email requested. And in here, I should see email requested, as you can see a field. And then we have this whole tons of questions answers. So as you can see, let me zoom it a bit. And we have 20 employees. As I said, I'm Carlos, and I showed an interest in lead follow-ups and certain pinpoints that I have like included. So this is the overall work how it's doing. So back to N10. So we have this assistant, and in this step, what we are doing is taking all the leads which are new and then send calling one by one, and then based on that, what they said in a transcript, we have an AI agent, a simple AI agent, which is creating a summary of it, and based on what happened in the conversation, or based on a transcript, and then finally we have like this whole workflow, and this is what the settings are I was talking about. So obviously you have to connect to your API. If you're not technical, by the way, don't worry about this. This is only for like people who wants to build it for themselves. So this is the most important part, is you have to give your different tools that you have created, let's suppose for a calendar, for a knowledge base, so it will be searching through that. And then by the way, I'll be showing also the backend in which it's integrated with the call.com. So in here we have a call.com tool, and this is basically sitting on the backend. And whenever AI, we ask AI if this time is available, so it sends the data in here. Let's say the last use case, and it will be sending a request to this node, and then it will be checking either this time is available or not. So in this case it's one node, so slot is not available. This is what it's doing. And then obviously we will have all the bookings in a call.com, something like this. So if we have booked, you will receive an email from call.com, and also the client will be receiving an email, and everything will be inside this call.com. And now let's discuss what are the resources that you will be getting. So first of all, you will be getting a prompt of a WAPI agent, which is something like this. And this is something that's working for me and for my client. And all you have to do is replace the questions, your agency details or your business details, and this will be working. Obviously we have tool for different tools as well, so you'll be getting this prompt for free. And then also you'll be getting this backend workflow of connecting it with a call.com, so that we have a calendar, and also this flow, which is basically a cold caller, and all you have to do is connect your details as well. So if this sounds interesting, so comment the word voice, and I'll share this resources with you guys. And finally, if you're a business owner and it's something that can revolutionize the way you take calls, and if you're still not clear, you can book a free call, link given in the description. Thank you. That's it for this video. Meet you in another one. Al Khan signing off.